Few years ago, I was just like you, watching YouTube videos late at night, thinking maybe I could do this. I had no fancy equipment, I had no clue where to start, and a lot of self doubt. I don't think somebody is even going to watch me. Fast forward to today, I have built a channel that is not only growing, see, I never imagined I have. In this video, I want to take you back to that very beginning, to that moment when you decide, yes, I am ready to start. I am going to walk you through how to create your own YouTube channel step by step. Because if you ever had that spark, just once, this is your sign to light up. So once you come to your YouTube, you click on that box where you're seeing your name there. So you will see create a channel. Here you will change the name. That's if you want. It depends on what you want to answer, what you have people to perceive you or to see your name on YouTube. So you can go ahead and change the name to what you want. It will say create channel. So you've created the channel. And we're going back to YouTube Studio to do the settings. So you remember you can do this on your desktop version. So we are doing this on our mobile phone from our Chrome desktop version. That's where we are doing this. So we're going to click on this down part. We are going to click on settings. We are going to click on channels. We are going to click on upload default. We are coming to visibility. We'll click on unlisted. You have to click unlisted so that whenever you upload your videos, you can have the time to maybe change your thumbnail, give it time for YouTube to analyze whatever you're posting. So that's why we are clicking on unlisted, because it helps you check so many things before your video can go public. So we're going to language. We're going to put the language of your country. In any country you are, you pick the country language and put it there. So we are picking English. Yes. So you go to category, you choose how to and style. If it's a teaching channel, if it is maybe you do a lifestyle, you can take people's and blog. So you go over to where you click and save. Make sure you save, please. So we are going to channel advanced setting. So you check where it is said whether it's meant for kids. You will click not meant for kids, so that it will be reminding you every time you need to upload that your channel is meant for kids. So this manage account, if you want someone to manage your YouTube, that's where you will add them. So we are going to feature eligibility, where it's saying standard feature requirements is channel is free of active community guidelines strike. So add collaborator to playlist, add new video to existing playlist, playlist creation, video upload. So the second one says create thumbnail, live streaming, video longer than 15 minutes, standard features enable. You have to verify your phone number. So when you click on this, it will take you to verify your phone number. So the last one is adding your ID card. You use your ID card, or you will create more short daily or live stream daily, upload daily, eligible to apply for monetization. So you make all of them will be turned on green when you're done setting it up. Everything will turn to enable. You will see that it's enabled. So you will click and verify your phone number. Just follow the prompt and do it. So we are going to customization. We're going to customize our channel banner, profile picture, and all of that. So when you click on upload, it's going to take you to your gallery, where you pick a picture, where you pick your banner to upload on YouTube. But first of all, you have to use Canva to create a YouTube banner. If you go to Canva, you will see how to create YouTube banner. There are templates there that you can use to create your YouTube banner. So you make it, and put it, size it here, it will fit in. I'm just letting you know how it should be. What is supposed to be here is my channel banner, what I do, description of what I do. See, it says it's not saved because that picture is not the size of what it actually wants. So it doesn't fit the size of the banner. So you have to use Canva to create a banner. So let's go and put our description here. You tell people what your channel is about, what they should be expecting, or what you will be doing on your channel. So this is called channel description. Let's just say welcome to my channel, where everything, where everything about beauty is taught. Okay. And self-development. So it depends on what you want. When you know that, okay, this is when people come and click on your bio, this is what you want them to read, this is how you want them to see your channel, this is what you do. So this is what you're going to put on your description. The links, you can add your social media links if you want. Your contact info should be your email, but make sure the email you're adding is not this email that you're using for this YouTube. You go and create a separate email for you to give to your audience, where to maybe message you privately or locate you, or for brands to reach out to you and collaborate with you. So make sure that the email you're using is not this email that you use in opening your YouTube channel. You create a different email for that. I'm trying to upload my profile picture, but it's not going through. I don't know why it's like that. It's supposed to take me to my gallery where I will click any photo I want. This is how your YouTube channel appears. So on this, keep all my subscription private. You can turn it off if you want. If you don't want people to know that so person subscribes to you, so you can turn it off. You can come here and change anything you want, your name or your handle at any time. So I'm going to upload my profile picture from here. It's going to take me to my gallery. So I'm going to pick a picture that I want as my profile picture. I'm going to use this as my profile picture. Hope this one gets done because I'm doing it from the YouTube app. That is a profile picture uploaded successfully. It's still not showing you. Maybe it's network. I guess it will come up with time. It's network. So if you're having this experience, it's network. When you go off and come back, you will see your profile picture. Subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful. I'll be in the comment to answer all your questions if you're finding it difficult.